Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Easy Bite Cooking. Today my short video about those two items. They're really handy, and this one enhance your curry taste and this one save you at least 20 minutes of cooking time. The crispy fried onions you can use for garnishing or cooking. They're like a 220 fresh onion compared to 220 gram of fresh onion compared to 100 gram of those dry onion. So they already cooked and everything, so save you at least 20 minutes on your electric or gas bill and your time for cooking. So this one I used before is one of my curries. This, if you use 1 or 2 spoons, if you every curry, if you like it enhance the taste, it give you like unique texture. So this is the herb, but it's nice. It's Kasoori Methi, and it's got dried Fenugreek leaves. So I'm going to use my next recipes as well, and I'm going to use this in my next recipe as well because it saved at least 20 minutes cooking time, and easy on the bills as well, like on gas or electric, whatever you're using it. Please share my video with your friends and family. If you like it, leave any comments, and see you my next recipe upload, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.